Hey, Daniel.
Yes.
You know what that does?
No.
That bakes cupcakes.
Was it real one? Can you bake one?
Real cupcakes, buddy. It makes real cupcakes. You can make them, you can mix them, you can decorate them, and you can do so much with it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go give Daddy a hug, too.
Careful of your sister.
Real cupcakes, Dan, will you share that with me? Dan, if you share that with me, I'll share mine with you, too.
What do you think? Do you like it?
Mommy?
Yes.
I will want to play with it right now.
Okay, look at me. Look at me.
Whenever we're born,
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Mommy.
Okay, you ready?